Video to fix the Windows 11 blue screen caused by Intel Smart Sound technology. And if your PC crashes, restarts, or shows a BSOD link to Intel audio drivers, this video is for you. Are you facing sudden blue screens while using sound, watching videos, gaming, or even during startup on Windows 11? This problem usually happens because Intel Smart Sound technology drivers conflict with Windows updates, load the wrong audio driver, or become corrupted after an update or driver install. Many fixes you see on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to change risky system settings, edit the registry, or reinstall Windows, which most people do not want to do. On reinstallation, I keep everything clear and simple. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that fixes the Intel Smart Sound technology BSOD without reinstalling Windows or losing your files. This method replaces a faulty driver behavior, stabilizes audio services, and stops the blue screen from coming back in just a few minutes. It works on laptops and desktop PCs using Intel processors and supports Windows 11 fully. If your system keeps crashing because of Intel Smart Sound technology and you want a safe and reliable fix, this solution can help you get a stable PC again. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial with every click explained, comment below and let reinstallation know, and I will guide you until your Windows 11 runs smoothly again without blue screen errors.